All right, question 2 says consider the system y is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 12 and y is equal to x plus 16. So again, we're asked to describe the shape of each curve in the system. And so for our first equation, we note that this is quadratic because of the square on x. And so its graph is going to be a parabola. The second equation is linear, so graph of that equation will be a line. All right, so then for part B, we're asked to solve the system. And so just like we saw in the first question, okay, we're looking for the values of x and y that will make both equations 1 and 2 true. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, just like we did in the first problem, is I'm just going to replace y with this expression, x squared minus 2x minus 12, in equation 2. And so we'll get the following. Equation 2 will become x squared minus 2x minus 12 is equal to x plus 16. All right, so now we have a quadratic equation. So if we go to solve that, I'll move everything to one side. So I'll subtract x from both sides, and I'm going to subtract 16 from both sides. And so we will get on the left x squared minus 3x, and that's minus 28. And then on the right, we have 0. And now this trinomial on the left factors. So go ahead and factor that. And this factors is x minus 7 times x plus 4. So we now can go ahead and set each factor to 0. So if x minus 7 is 0, then x is 7. And if x plus 4 is equal to 0, then x is negative 4. So we get two solutions here for x. And so that means we're going to have to find the two corresponding y values when x is equal to 7 and negative 4. So let's do that over here. So if we set x to 7, if I want to find y, I can plug 7 into either one of these equations for x, and I'm going to go with equation 2 because it's so much simpler. This says that y is equal to 7 plus 16, and that's going to give us 23. Okay, so the corresponding ordered pair, x is 7 and y is 23. All right, so that is one of our solutions. And then when x is negative 4, well, again, I'm just going to plug into equation 2 because it's nice and simple. So plugging in negative 4, I'll get negative 4 plus 16, and that's equal to 12. And so we get the solution negative 4 comma 12. All right, so that is our second solution. And then let's go ahead and check this out on a graph. So we see that the quadratic curve here, we have in red is a parabola, and then we have our line here for the second equation. And so we're looking for these points of intersection. And you see this one is negative 4, 12. Yep, that's what we found. And the other one is 7, 23. So it's working. All right, great. That's going to do it. Thanks.